Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add page numbers to all the pages of a PDF file. For instance, I have a sample PDF file here without any page numbers, and we'll add page numbers to each page in one go. Let's get started. To accomplish this, the easiest method is to use an online PDF editing tool. I recommend using iLovePDF, a free and user-friendly platform for various PDF operations. First, open any web browser and search for iLovePDF. Click on the official site, and once you're on the home page, scroll down until you find the page numbers option. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to upload your PDF file. Select the file you want to edit and wait for it to upload. Once the file is uploaded, you'll be presented with a variety of customization options for adding page numbers. You can choose between single-page or multi-page numbering formats. I'll stick with the default single-page format as it's the most commonly used. Next, you'll need to decide the position of the page numbers on your PDF. You can place the numbers anywhere, such as the top right corner, bottom center, or any other position. After that, specify the starting number for the page numbering. This is usually set to 1 by default. You can also select which pages should be numbered. For example, you can number all pages or exclude specific ones. By default, the tool uses a simple page number only format, but there are other customizable options. You can adjust text formatting like font style, size, color, and effects such as bold, italic, underline, or even choose a unique color for the numbers. Once all settings are configured, click the Add Page Numbers button. The tool will process your file and prepare it for download. When the process is complete, click the Download button to save the updated PDF. Open the downloaded file and you'll see the page numbers successfully added to each page. For example, page 1 is labeled as 1, page 2 as 2, and so on. And that's it! You've successfully added page numbers to your PDF file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.